Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this looks. I just went and got it washed. I just went and washed it. Sheesh, that thing looks so clean. The Wicker Bill. Hey, follow on TikTok, IG, the Wicker Bill. Block it. I don't even know why I block it. I done shown it so many times. Look at that junk. Oh yeah, I look a little different too. As you can see, I ain't got the dreads no more. Done cut it off. You seen my last video. Check it out if you haven't. Link it up at the top. Here we go, baby. Hemi is back. As you can see, new week, new mod. We're gonna be putting on this. We're gonna be putting on a front splitter. So we're gonna have make it a little more aggressive. Like right now, as y'all can see. I mean, it looks aggressive, look cool. You know, it's new front, but we're gonna make the front a little more aggressive. It's gonna be a little more. You feel me? We about to do a little screws and junk or whatever. I feel like this is gonna be pretty simple. I ain't watched no videos to put this on, so it should be straightforward. Dang, I'm about to rip this with my bare hands. Yep, because guess what? That's that African strength. Yeah, and I got my little mic on. I done found it. I forgot where I lost it, but we got it. This is my first time even using this mic, which is funny, because usually I just use either my other mic from my other camera, or I just go with the regular audio off the Action Pro. As you can see, comes with 3 pieces. As you can see, 3 pieces, bag of screws. Fairly simple. I feel like this is pretty easy, but let me take these out and then get to work. Okay, as you can see, all 3 pieces are in gloss black. I'm trying to keep this gloss black theme with my whole car. It should be fairly easy. I don't know what I'm doing going into this for real. Just know this is about to go on this side, just like that. Boom, put some screws in there. Just keep that up with the other pieces on the other side. These little things right here, they just go into the hole right here and you just plug it, and then I guess you put a screw in there. Okay, so I done went and looked at I just chose all the silver ones. I just thought that was just what I had to do. Put them in, screwed them in with my little Walmart screwdriver. I put this under and then find the little holes. We're gonna screw that bit in, you feel me? As you can see, we got shop set up. We got the little, you feel me? We got the little shop down here. So I feel like I don't even need to make a video on this, but I don't know. I just thought this was gonna be kind of cool. But we got everything laid out. Is that a bug? Is that a bee? We got everything laid out. I got the screws, and then, you know, just gonna lift this up, put the screws under at the bottom, and then start attaching. I don't know where it's gonna go. I guess I have to make holes. Is what I'm getting from this. So I gotta make a hole somewhere. I'm gonna do that, and then so I done got the car jacked up right now. I got the splitter at the bottom. I done put some Gorilla Glue masking tape or molding tape. I don't even know what to call it, but put it all across, and I'm gonna put it up underneath there so y'all can see, and then I'm gonna make the holes and all that. And so far we done got it lined up. I'm gonna use this little bucket that I found laying around and just held it up with I held it up kind of just to help me put it on correctly or have it positioned right. I just stuck it up there for the most part, and it's on. But now I just gotta drill the holes just to secure it, make sure it's like, I done got this little screw in there. I done drilled a little hole, so now I gotta do it for 1,000 more of these little holes, and then I'll show y'all the finished little product. You can see hole created. Boom. Get you a little screw. Put that little bit in there, like so. Get a little screwdriver. I don't know what bit this is, but it's a star. I'll tell you after. Screw that little doohickey in there. Finish, just like that. Boom. All right, so now I'm about to do that for the rest of this junk, and I'm gonna show y'all the end. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are finished. We done got the front splitter installed. Got all the little drill bits and screws lined up on the bottom. Everything is just pristine. This is the finished product of the car so far. Looking at it, this is what our build looks like right now. Tell me that doesn't look sweet. That looks nice, don't it? All we need is a little hood with a vent, and then the outside gonna look practically done, complete, to be honest. I don't really care about side skirts like that. I might put the little spoiler, window spoiler, but other than that, pretty much done. Like anything else is just accessory. And then the inside, I'm gonna do like starlights. But yeah, man, this is the front splitter. I know the lighting ain't too good because the sun is that way, but I feel like I did a pretty good job, you feel me? If you liked the video, if that helped you out, you know, hit the like, subscribe, do all that, share it, hype it up. I know that's like a new feature or whatever, but appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see next. I think I should change something. Like, just talk to me, twin. Just talk to me. Thank y'all for watching. It's been your boy Ozzy, and I'm out.